Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your account on Danske Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in danskebank.dk and press enter. You will then be taken into the official website for Danske Bank. Now from the homepage, click on the sign in button at the top right corner and then you can choose from the various different login types. After choosing your appropriate login portal, by clicking on it, you will be allowed to enter your user ID. Type in your user ID within the given box and then click on the next button and you will be asked to enter your password. Go ahead and type in your account password and then click on the login button and you will be logged into your Danske Bank account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you will find the reset password option within the login page as well. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your account on Danske Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.